Hello, welcome to this video. This is 7-1 and we are solving square root equations algebraically. This is the second video and we're gonna look at a couple examples, okay? So here is the first example for this video. We want to solve this equation. Whoa, computer's freaking out. If you remember back from the first video, what we had to do is we had to go ahead and isolate your radical expression. I just want the square root all by itself. So what we'll do, whoa, the lights turned out. Wow. Lights are back on. So I have to do, I have to go run around. So we'll divide both sides by 4 to give us the square root of x is equal to 9 over 4. And then I want to square each side. Okay, so we get x is equal to 81 over 16. Okay, and this is possible. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and check this. So if I plug in 81 over 16, does this equal 9? Well, this gives me 4 times 9 over 4. The 4's cancel, and is 9 equal to 9? Yep, so there's your answer. Pretty straightforward. Here's example 2. Again, you just need to isolate your radical. So we will add 3 to both sides to get the square root of x is equal to 2. And then we'll square both sides. X is equal to 4. So we'll go ahead and check this. If I plug in 4, I get the square root of 4 minus 3. Is this equal to negative 1? Well, that's 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Yes. Okay. So we're good. All right. So here is a practice problem. Go ahead, pause the video, try this one. All right. And here is the solution. No solution. Okay. So in this case, right, you get 9. And when you plug in 9, 3 plus 4 does not equal 1. Okay, so and generally, again, a lot of the problems come around when we square a negative. All right, here is a second practice problem. Please pause the video, try this one. Okay, and here is the solution. Okay. And again, the moral of this story is just isolating your radical on one side before you square. Okay, so here is the last example that I'll do with you. And this one isn't any more complicated. It's just that we have multiple steps going on. So before I can isolate my radical, or in order to isolate, I have to go backwards from PEMDAS, right? I'm going to undo addition, subtraction. We'll add 4 to both sides. Add 4. And we get root x over 3 is equal to 5. We'll go ahead, we'll multiply each side by 3. We get root x is equal to 15. And then we'll go ahead and square both sides, and we get x is equal to, I believe that's 225. I was right. 225. Okay, and then again, just double check it. So is the square root of 225 divided by 3 when you take away 4, is that equal to 1? Well, that's 15 over 3 minus 4. Well, that's 5 minus 4, and it is equal to 1. So here is your answer. All right, one last practice problem. Please pause the video. I want you to try this example. If my computer lets me. I guess not. Oh, here you go. Don't look at the answer. All right, so that is it for this video. Catch you next time. Peace.